Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Polat Kandemir. My other name is Paul Dean, and today I am here with a great video for you who wants to improve himself. I welcome everyone who wants to add something to themselves to my content. And let's move on to the video. In this video I show you how to use the power of your subconscious for wealth. I will present content about it, play it and see power of your subconscious for wealth. If you're having financial difficulties, if you're trying to make ends meet, it means you have not convinced your subconscious.
You know men and women who work a few hours a week and make fabulous sums of money. They do not strive or slave hard. Do not believe the story that the only way you can become wealthy is by the sweat of your brow and hard labor. It is not so. The effortless way of life is the best. Do the thing you love to do and do it for the joy and thrill of it. I know that executive in Los Angeles who receives a salary of $75,000. He said to me that he had succeeded in convincing his subconscious mind that he is worth that much money. He told me that many men in his organization getting about $100 a week knew more about the business than he did and could manage it better. But they had no ambition, no creative ideas, and were not in. Wealth is simply a subconscious conviction on the part of the individual. You will not become a millionaire by saying I am a millionaire, I am a millionaire. You will grow into a wealth consciousness by building into your mentality the idea of wealth and abundance. You are invisible means of support. When business falls away, the stock market drops or they lose their investments, they seem helpless. The reason for such insecurity is that they do not know how to tap the subconscious mind. They are unacquainted with the inexhaustible storehouse within. A man with another man with a mind filled with ideas of wealth, is surrounded with everything he needs. It is never intended that man should lead a life of indigence. You can have wealth, everything you need, and plenty to spare. Your words have power to cleanse your mind of wrong ideas and to instill right ideas in their place. The ideal method for building a wealth conscious. This is what you do. Repeat for about 5 minutes to yourself 3 or 4 times a day. Wealth success. These words have tremendous power. They represent the inner power of the subconscious mind. Anchor your mind on this substantial power within you. Then conditions and circumstances. This is what you do. Repeat for about 5 minutes to yourself 3 or 4 times a day. Wealth success. These words have tremendous power. They represent the inner power of the subconscious mind. Anchor your mind on this substantial power within you. Then conditions and circumstances. Perhaps they are saying, "Oh, that fellow has a racket, he is ruthless, he is a crook." This is why they lack. They are condemning the thing they desire and want. The reason they speak critically of their more prosperous associates is because they are envious and covetous of the other's prosperity. The quickest way to call off, to take wings and fly away is to criticize and condemn others who have more wealth than you, a common stumbling block to wealth. There is one emotion which is the cause of the lack of wealth in the lives of many.